How to share Amazon Prime membership with friends in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to share your Amazon Prime membership with your friends and family. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your web browser and search for amazon.com. Now once you get to amazon.com, make sure that you log into your account. And once you log in, you'll have this option on your home screen. Just tap on your profile section right here. Now all you have to do is tap on the hamburger menu on the top right, or you can just tap on your profile section like this. And on your account, tap on see all. Now scroll down a bit, and here you will find manage your Amazon family, and right below that you'll have manage your household. Go ahead and tap on it. So you have three options. You can add an adult, you can add a teen, or you can add a child. Adults are 18 and above, teens are 13 to 17, and children are 12 and under. So scroll down a bit if you want to add an adult to your Prime Video. What you need to do is you can share Prime benefits and digital content with no additional costs. So go ahead and tap on add an adult. So you'll have to select your country from here. Now, once you select your country, you can just write their name right here and then the email address, and they will be notified on their email and easily join from there. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.